Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Mercedes E-Class battery. First, ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the ignition off and the parking brake engaged. Safety is paramount, so always wear protective gloves and eye protection. You will need a few basic tools, including a 10mm and 13mm wrench, a battery terminal brush, and a battery strap or carrier for safe handling. Once prepared, locate your E-Class battery. The main battery is usually in the trunk, often beneath the floor panel or on the right-hand side. Some models may have an auxiliary battery nearby. Using your wrench, first loosen and remove the negative battery cable, which is typically black. Always ensure this cable does not touch any metal parts of the car. Then, proceed to disconnect the positive, red cable. With both terminals disconnected, you can now remove the battery hold-down clamp or strap. These vary by model but typically involve a bolt or a quick-release mechanism. Be aware that car batteries are quite heavy, often weighing more than 40 pounds, so lift with care or use a battery carrier. Before installing the new battery, take a moment to clean the battery tray and the terminal connectors thoroughly. Now, carefully place your new battery into the clean tray and secure it firmly with the hold-down clamp. Next, connect the positive, red cable to the positive terminal first, ensuring it is tight and secure. Then, connect the negative, black cable to the negative terminal. Double-check all connections to ensure they are snug. Start your vehicle to confirm everything is working correctly and dispose of the old battery responsibly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.